What it is, JA family, and today we're doing another video. Yeah, Grandpa. Okay. We're doing another video about a thunderstorm, and it's gonna be bad because I think the power's gonna go out.
No, it's not.
And all of that. So yeah. If the power goes out, here, hold on. If the power goes out, I'm in, hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, I have a lightsaber. This is dark over here. And, looks white, but it's green. But, y'all, you barely see me. It's so dark. Come on, light. Now you can see me. It's much better, huh? Oh, that light. Oh, that light. Yeah. Can't be in the dark room. Okay, guys, and this room is dark. We're staying in here because I'm scared. I'm making a YouTube channel. I'm scared that it might thunderstorm, and well, it is thunderstorming, but I think it is going to, the power's going to go out. So, y'all can barely see me. Let me get a bright spot because you can barely see me. Okay, you see that? Yeah. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys, leave a comment down below if you can see me on that. I'm going to keep on playing this video, I think, because I think the power's going to go out soon enough, but I'm just going to end the vlog right here, and so, yeah. Yes, I'll see you when the power goes out. So, peace.